Welcome to Captain Don's Resort. It's kind of windy out here today. It's windy here every day. But anyway, here's your check-in. Right here, you go through here, you do your little check-in. They have these two reserved spaces for your unloading and loading. They don't have a drive-through area, but they have little dollies and hand trucks. You can just come right here. Have different kinds of rooms. You have your deluxe ocean view, your junior suites, your villas, your bungalows. They've got a little massage spa place right here. We've got a little store, gift shop. It's got t-shirts and cokes and all that good stuff. Your restaurant here. Of course, your bar. You can come here in the evening for some frosty beverages. And then over here, this is your restaurant area. And you get breakfast here every morning. It's like a buffet style breakfast. And then we go through here. We are gonna go over to the pool area. Right. There's your pool. So if you're not diving or something and you want to hang out in the pool, there you go. You got these little umbrellas. And there's a little spa shack here. All your little rooms. You can get your Nitrox tanks here. Air tanks if you dive in air. See where they're going? And we go down here where you get on your boat dives over here. We just came back from one. And then come down here. You got all your rinse tanks. Fill these up with fresh water every day for you. You got showers. And then to store your gear, you got these little lockers down here, and here's where you can get yourself ready if you're getting ready to go on a dive on the house reef. Make sure you bring a lock so you can lock your gear up here. Otherwise, if you have a balcony or something in your room, you can leave it, but it's just easier to leave it down here. And then to do the house reef, you just come over here. Two ways to get in. The fast way or the slow way. Slow way, climb down the ladder. Be careful, it's kind of slippery. It's in the water. Or fast way, just jump off. Check out this big ass tarpon. This thing is like, I don't know, at least 4 feet. Look how pretty this water is.
What's up?
All right. room is up the stairs. So we gotta go up some stairs. This is an old-fashioned key here. And here's our room. Alright, you got a bed. Obviously, we've been in here, so a little couch, tiny TV, and then you got some lounging chairs, and you got to hang your dive gear, and then you can come right out here. It's really hot out right now, but look at that. And then we have a little closet. It has some shelves. Nothing crazy special. And another little thing here. Tiny refrigerator. And a bathroom. Nothing special. You just got whatever. But we are staying at Captain Don's Habitat.